welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I'm going to be stripping this hair and bring it back to blonde. Right now it's a neon green. It's a neon green, guys, so I'm trying to bring it back to its natural color so I can get it to a different color, so stay tuned. I have hot water right here in the sink, like lukewarm water, and then I'm going to put, you could use cleansing shampoo. That's one of the main ingredients, cleansing shampoo. So this is clarifying daily suave. Any brand is good enough. You're going to pour that in. And then you're going to use any cleaning agent, soap, put in there as well. Oh, the strawberries are nice. Nice. And you're going to use baking soda. This is also one of the main ingredients, baking soda. And then you put this. Honestly, you just throw it in there. And don't worry if the water foams, you're just doing what baking soda does. I said no. Just putting a little bit more. Yeah, mama. And then I'm going to do a little bitty. If you guys see it, Dana, hold on. If you guys see it, you can see that the water is changing color because it's stripping it. You can let it sit for 20 minutes. You can see right here, it's already cleaning. You guys see the color leaving? Coming blonde. Just the top. I want you guys to see the water. That's all the color leaving. So this is the first round. It's gold. I'm gonna rinse it out. Back to blonde. Back to blonde. So now I'm gonna get it, so I'm gonna clean it, rinse it. So this is how it's looking. I'm doing a half and half color. So I'm in the middle. Half raspberry prism and half safari. Alright, so I part the hair in two because I'm going to do half an hour. And this is hot water. safari. So before I start, I'm just going to spray. I'm just going to spray under here to preserve the lace so it don't